In this video, we will show you how to connect the Bitget wallet to Cats. If you guys want to get started with Bitget, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Telegram app on your phone. In the chat section, go to the Cats option. Now tap the Meow button in the bottom left corner. On the next page, reach the Avatar tab from the menu bar and tap See More at the top. There is a subscribe for wonton button, so tap on it. Here, select the Bitget wallet to start connecting it. Then tap Yes to open it. You'll be directed to their website and download the app from the given options. Now tap Get and wait for a while to complete downloading. Once it is installed, sign into your Apple account by entering the password. After signing in, you'll be directed to the app. Make sure to agree to the terms of service and then set a PIN to verify your identity. After that, verify your 6-digit password again. Your wallet will be created and tap Approve to connect on. Once it is created successfully, you can start sending or receiving crypto. Now go to the Telegram app and get the OG pass. Finally, it'll start confirming the transaction in the Bitget wallet. So that's how to connect the Bitget wallet to Cats. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Bitget. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.